So you might be in a weird situation where only one of your AirPods are working. So maybe it's only your left AirPod or your right AirPod and the other one is not working at all. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, and I've seen this happen so many times in my lifetime. So the very first thing I would recommend you to do for the most part is just go ahead and make sure that both of your AirPods are fully charged. If you're able to go through and put one AirPod in your ear, what I would recommend doing is putting both AirPods in your ear, checking the battery of those AirPods, for example. If you were to plug them in, make sure they're fully compatible with your AirPods, whatever. You should be able to see that on a battery widget on your iPhone. You should be able to see the battery life of those AirPods. So if you put one in your ear, you should be able to see that they should change, and then you should see the battery life of that one AirPod. You should have some type of capability like that. So see if you can do that just like how it changed right there. And if one AirPod is at 100%, the other one's at like 10% or 0%, well, that means the other AirPod's dead, and that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. Now, you just have to charge that AirPod, and that's all you're going to have to do there. Now, for some reason, that's not working. Another thing you may want to try doing is making sure that this AirPod inside both AirPods are fully cleaned out and they don't have anything stuck in these charging areas. If the charging coil is at the bottom or if anything gets broken in between here, like the components, and it could be a problem with the AirPod case that may not be charging these specific AirPods. And that might be another thing you want to keep your eye on. It's not the end of the world, but that's one other thing you just want to kind of keep your eye on as well. On top of that, you may want to see if you can repair your AirPods to your specific iPhone or Android device. So just go through, see if you have the capability of repairing your AirPod to your iPhone, and see if that ends up fixing it. Just hold down this button on the back to repair it. Basically go back into your Bluetooth settings of your device, see if that ends up fixing it. You can also try updating your device. That may end up fixing it too. But most of the time, it's usually due to battery, or basically you just have to take your AirPod back out of your ear, put it back into your ear, and those are basically the main things you're going to have to do. And that pretty much covers it up for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.